Welcome to Channel 7 News.
This just in, a Spartan dies from a meteor. We take you to the scene.
This is where the Spartan lies, just crushed by an astonishing meteor. The meteor did not do any harm, but was sent from space probe 89, somehow had to kill the Spartan.
When are we leaving?
In a few. Did you watch me give info?
Where is my sniper? He should be here.
You bums, finally made it. Well, time for me to go.
Oh man, he got away.
We are his minions. Wow.
Ouch, I got shot.
Stay here, I will go Master Chief.
Ha ha ha, you can't destroy me. I am stronger. No, stop it.
Ow, you got me.
You can't stop me. No, no, no.
I gotta get moving. Stupid little ant.
No, 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 no.
I just saved the world.
Eric, we did it.
Congratulations.
Let's have fun.
Well, everything turned out right. Eric and Kimberly defeated Brian. They are now on a date, and I will continue my news reports. I guess this is the end. Bye.